that the Integrity Group and the G5 governors are committed members of PDP in our various states. We have a challenge with the national leadership of our party because they have failed to deploy its internal conflict resolution mechanism to solve the problems that arose after the convention. We are committed to PDP in our various states, and at the appropriate time, we are going to let you know where and what to do. We are united, we are together. Don't listen to gossip and social media hacks. We are committed to PDP and we are working to all to rest on established layers of recognition and to congratulate the good people of Oyo State today, especially the PDP family, for reposing their confidence and love on all our candidates in the PDP, every led by Governor Seyi Makinde. Seyi Makinde is the youth leader of G5. And he represents our vision for a better Nigeria, where we shall have respect for one another, whether you come from the north, from the south, from the east, or from the west. A Nigeria where everybody is important. And I salute his courage. I am envious of his vision for young people. As his friend, I know that what you will see in the next 4 years is far greater than what you have seen already. And I pray that Almighty God will be upon all your people on that day as they find out to elect PDP candidates, especially Governor Seyi Makinde, to lead out and let God do his will in Oyo land. I bless you this day. I bring you warm greetings from Abia State, and I salute my brothers who are here